Hi everyone, this is Vivian Berry with your Cyber Brief, powered by CybLynx. Let's get into today's critical cybersecurity alert. Headline: Snowflake breach. Major companies targeted in ongoing cyber extortion campaign. There's been a major breach involving Snowflake, the cloud data platform. According to Mandiant, threat actors have compromised multiple customer accounts, including big names like Ticketmaster and Santander Bank. Here's how it happened. Attackers used infostealer malware like Llama and Redline to grab employee credentials from personal devices. These credentials were then used to log into Snowflake environments where multi-factor authentication wasn't enabled. To be clear, there's no evidence that Snowflake's core platform was breached. The issue lies in customer-side misconfigurations and weak access security. The attackers are now selling terabytes of stolen data and demanding millions in ransom. It's a full-scale extortion campaign, and the fallout is just beginning. If your company uses Snowflake, act now. Rotate all credentials, enable MFA everywhere, and monitor for unusual activity in your environment. Don't wait. This incident is a reminder that cloud security is a shared responsibility. The vendor can be secure, but if your access controls are weak, your data is still at risk. That's your cyber brief for today. Stay alert, stay secure, and follow CybLynx for more real-time updates and expert insights to keep your organization protected.